This isn't just an eco-dream, it's a practical solution to real, everyday problems. Cleaner air, less noise, and lower fuel bills could transform life in Egypt's cities. As more models arrive and prices start to fall, adoption will accelerate. Local manufacturers are exploring ways to make EVs more affordable, and international brands are eyeing the Egyptian market. Of course, the journey will be long and complicated, with setbacks and unexpected challenges along the way. Building a reliable charging network and ensuring the grid can cope will take time and investment. But the direction is clear. Egypt is moving toward an electric future step by step. Each new charging station, each new EV on the road is a sign of progress. In a decade, Cairo's soundscape and air could be transformed. Imagine children playing in parks with cleaner air and city streets that are quieter and safer. Plugging in a car may soon be as normal as filling up at a petrol station. For many Egyptians, this shift will mark a new era of mobility and convenience. The question isn't if, but when and how fast. The countdown has already begun, and the pace of change will depend on innovation, investment, and public support. Watching Egypt embrace this technology will be fascinating. The world is watching too, as Egypt takes its first steps toward a cleaner, more sustainable future. It's a grand tour into the future, one that could redefine what it means to live, work, and move in Egypt's cities.